Hello students, let's have a look over the Markovnikov's rule students. What the Markovnikov's rule is saying students, suppose you are having the unsymmetrical alkene students, this is the unsymmetrical alkene where the both the side of double bond different group is there, and if you are treating with HX, okay, so dear student, the negative part is going to that double bonded carbon which have lesser number of hydrogen, and the product will be something like that. CH3, here is CH, here is X, and this is the CH3. Okay, so this is what two halo propane is being formed. Okay, so that we have to keep in mind. Similarly, in the bond line formula, how can you say this is the compound, here is double bond. If you are treating with the HBr, dear students, HBr, so Br is going to attack on this position and hydrogen is going to attack on this position. So how the product is being formed, student, here is the Br and this is the hydrogen. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. One more possibility is there. This is the what is major product, student, and that is minor product is also possible. Here is the Br will be there and this position hydrogen. This is the minor, not a stable, because in this case 1 degree carbocation will form. Here is the 2 degree carbocation. Now what we can do, students, what we can do here, that is, let's have a look over the some more examples. Okay, what the more examples you can be able to get, student. Suppose this compound we are having, and here is the bond is there and this is the double bond is here. So where you will be able to put the HBr, students. So here in this case, students, there will be methyl shift will be there. Okay, there will be methyl shift. Okay, so our product will be what, students? Our product will be like this, it will come, and here will be that is same way, that is Br will come. Let's see the mechanism, students, then only it will be able to understand, you can be able to understand. Okay, so this is the group are there, student. Here if you are treating with the H plus, students, okay, H plus. So what is going to happen, 2 degree carbocation we have to generate here. So this is going to be formed, students. Here is the double bond is there and here is the carbocation. But here is the together what is hydrogen is also there. There will be the hydride shift, student, hydride shift. So it is the hydride shift is taking place, hydride shift. If hydride shift is taking place, so 3 degree carbocation is being formed. Here is. Now there will be attack of Br minus, student. Now what will happen, student? Br minus attack, student, here like that. So what the product you are going to get, dear students, you are going to get that is Br is here. So 2 bromo, it is name is what, 2 bromo 2 methyl. Okay, 2 bromo 2 methyl, and what will be there, student? This is the butane will come out. Okay, now let's have a look over some more example, students. Okay, what the other example which we can give, students? Suppose we are having this compound, students, okay, cyclohexane, and that 2 is methyl substitute. Okay, so you can check it out, how many carbon are there, 1 2 3 4. Here is 0 hydrogen, and here is how much, 1 2 3, here is 1 hydrogen. So what will happen if you are treating with the HBr? So Br is going to attack here and hydrogen will be like that. So what the product is going to be formed, students, according to Markovnikov rule, here is there will be CH3 and here will be Br. Okay, this is the product. Now one more possibility is there, student. If you are, suppose you are benzene ring, here is we are adding CH and double bond CH2, and you are treating with what, HBr. So what the first possibilities is there? So Br will go with this carbon and hydrogen will go on this carbon. So how the product will be there, students? Here is C, this is CH, here will be Br, student, and here is the CH3. Okay, some other example. Suppose what I am saying, students, what I am saying here, that if you are having this compound, okay, and you are treating with the mercuric acetate, student, HgOAc twice, okay, and H2O in the NaBH4. So what the product you are going to get? You are going to get the Markovnikov product, student. So here is the OH is being formed, here is the methyl group is being formed, right? This the product. Now but the one more things you have to understand, if this product is there here, but if you are treating with what H2O and in the presence of H plus, so what the product you are getting, it is entirely different. This product is the student, this is the this product. Okay, so here the methyl shift will come. Okay, methyl shift will be also taking pair, but in the case mass oxymercuration demercuration, there is no methyl shift is there, students. So that we have to be very careful while solving the problem, dear student. So this all about the problems, students. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.